hanggang kailan po kaya magsisigaw ng kaya-kaya? Pero bago tayo magsigaw ng kaya-kaya, official introduction please.
5, 6, 7, 8. Kaya is here! Hello everyone, I'm Kaya's leader, Angela!
Hello everyone, this is Charisse. Hey, yo, what's up? It's your girl Alexa.
Hello everyone, I'm Kaya Sophia! What's up everyone, I'm Kaya Charlotte! And once again, we are Kaya!
Once again, we are...
Kaya!
Zayas. One more time. We are... Okay, tama-tama po yan. At itong festival po natin, which is K-pop Cover Dance Festival, I have seen a lot of videos of Kaya as well na nag-cover ng K-pop songs. Tama po ba?
Yes.
And yes. Do you guys have any message to, of course, our organizers, our VIPs, and of course, the participants and Zayas who made this event possible?
Of course, we would like to thank KCC for inviting us to perform here. Grabe, super, we're very honored po na makasama po sa ganitong event. And of course, sa mga Zaya nandito, thank you so much for coming. Sana po sa mga hindi naman po nakakilala sa Kaya, sana po masuportahan niyo po kami. And of course, we have our social media accounts.
You can follow us on our social media accounts. Just search for Kaya Official PH, and Kaya members. And of course, you can also listen to our songs on Spotify, Apple Music, YouTube Music, and Dell Music digital streaming platforms.
Yeah. Grabe. Halatang-halata na ang taas ng energy ng Zayas natin. At as a host, ayaw ko na patagalin ang next performance na Kaya. What is our next performance?
This is our latest single, You Did It!
Make some noise for it. Everybody.
Thank you so much, Zaya! Thank you so much, K-pop community! And of course, sa lahat po na sumuporta sa event na ito. Once again, I'm Kaya's leader, Angela!
This is Charisse, your girl Alexa.
I'm Sophia! And I'm Charlotte. Once again, we are
Kaya!
Make some noise once again for Kaya! 감사합니다. 감사합니다.